We need to secure that ridge beam before we get the trusses up.
All right, I've got the measurements right here.
We are making good progress today.
Yeah, this room is finally starting to look like something.
Keep the pressure steady on that corner.
Got it. Are the new measurements finalized for the window?
Almost. Just confirming the laser reading.
Looks incredible, doesn't it?
Yeah, hard to believe it's the same room.
I think this color choice was perfect for the space.
Absolutely stunning. The contrast is incredible.
The shine on these cabinets is exactly what we wanted. The restoration is complete.
The sunlight really transforms the space, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's perfect. The walls look amazing.
We've truly transformed this space. It's warm, cozy, and absolutely perfect.
The quality is superb, Maria.
Thank you, sir. We made it look brand new.
We actually did it. It's perfect, isn't it? I love our new house.